Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, yes, almost weekend, Friday, May the 12th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the light Sudoku and the heavy Sudoku. Well, last week we have Liberation Day on that day, and I've told you earlier in the first Friday of the month I will do a speed test. So the speed test, I've forgot to do the speed test, so I will do these two puzzles with a speed test. But in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku with 0 stars. This is a Sudoku with 1 star, has 27 printed digits. We have a Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them. I will do those in the evening. But first I will solve these two regular puzzles. It's a speed test, and so without any comments or instructions. Alright, and this one will be number 6421. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 33 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku, with the 1 star with 27 printed digits, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, should be 13 or 14 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Without any comments, without instruction. 2 minutes already passed. Alright. One, okay. I'm on the 2 here, 7 there. 6 2 7 1 2 3 4 5 8 5 4 9 1 and 3 1 okay, 3, the 8 no 7 7 3 2. We have all the 2s. No. Yeah. Okay. 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. This should be the 8 then. 8. Here should be the 8. 4 and a 9. 9 here, 9 and 1. 3 and 6, I believe. 6 and 5, I believe. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. This should be a 5. This should be a 6. No, an 8. No, we have an 8 here. This should be a 7. 7, yeah. Almost made a mistake. 7, 5. Here, also a 5. 3, 4, and 6. 4 and 6, okay. 1 and 5. 5, 5. Here, 5. Here, and 8. 8. This should be a 4, then 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6, 3, and the 9. This should be a 6 then, yeah. This should be the 6, this should be a 4, 4, and the 9, yeah. 5 minutes, wow. -2, 3 minutes, well, 3 minutes. For solving a Sudoku Light with 33 printed digits. Well, definitely faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9. Correct. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle, the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.